Okay, so the ECU, the DME, sorry, it's not looking too healthy. So most of the corrosion is underneath the board. I'm gonna try and save it because I do want to keep the EWS system to have like the extra security, but if not, that's fine. So I'm gonna take it apart and use some electrical cleaner to clean the bottom of it and then dry it. Oh god. So the big ones are a T20. Small ones, let's see if I have something. Let's see if I can fit. Oh, let's see. Yeah. T8. So small ones are a T8. Okay, so what's going on here? What's happening? Oh, okay, it's just spinning in the thread. Alright, I'm gonna get pliers. Actually, let me see if this will work. Might just stabbed me. Okay. That was pretty hard. What's holding this on? Oh, okay. Alright. Modern problems require modern solutions. Okay, so I didn't drill through this. Should be fine. This is an old head that I had. Definitely don't use your toothbrush. Just use to brush your teeth with. But hopefully it should just gently wipe away. This is what I have. look way better. Right? These two guys look way better. So right here is definitely the worst because the pens, I don't know what these two chips do, but it's not, the tracks are still there. It's just like hella super crusty. Very lightly. Okay. Like you can just see how bad. It was not in a good environment. Like at one point, either a ton of humidity. I mean, it was sitting there for like 8 to 10 years. So just hope this is my no start problem. Make sure that this goes over this. That's why it's not lining up. Yeah, so. See if these go in. Okay, so let's put it back in. Okay, try not to bend it too much now. Okay.